So we'll be talking about today the future of agriculture with the use of artificial intelligence across all the agri-value chain. And at the end, I will bring some real cases of my company, Benagro, and showing actually how AI it's already impacting the agriculture industry. So here's a little bit about our agenda. So I'll give just a quick introduction about my trajectory in the company. We'll also contextualize global challenges within the agriculture industry, and mainly how AI will help solving this challenge in a very practical way. Later on, we'll be talking about some AI applications across the ag value chain and obstacles and opportunities of AI. And then I think we're going to have a lot of time to talk and topics here about your survey as well, Aiden. And a 10 years vision, what actually we envision for the ecosystem in the upcoming decade. And closing with Benagro case. So just a quick introduction, a background introduction. This guy over here without a beard, 8 years back then, it's me, when I founded the company, while I was here in Ribeirão, Preto, studying business and economics at FEA USP. And I like to talk about that because back then in 2018, we didn't hear much about AI application, mainly agriculture industry. We are talking about 7, 8 years ago, way before all this hype that AI it's now in the forefront. And since the beginning, we were really focused on reducing the cost and increasing yields for our customer. So we never thought about AI as the product itself. AI is no more than a tool that will help the customer actually increase yields and reduce costs. So some global challenges in agriculture, as you all are aware, and I think we've seen that a lot here today. The first one is the agriculture border in ESG. We have also high production cost and labor shortage, and I think that's a very big challenge because AI will also require more skilled labor, and we're going to talk about that as well. Pest disease and weeds that also threatens the farmer sustainability as a business itself. And soil degradation and climate change that will impact heavily on the farmer planning when to plant, when to harvest. So actually how AI will help overcoming this challenge. So the first thing is the automation at scale. The large amount of data that AI will be capable of process will help farmers to escalate decisions and have a better time responding to those challenges. We also can mention here actionable insights for farmer through AI that will be enhanced by machine learning algorithms with predictive analysis and optimization, which lead us for tailor-made recommendation per farm and per crop. Some AI touch points here in the agricultural value chain that we can mention. The first one is the input optimization. When we think about seeds, fertilizer, and inputs in general, crop monitoring and yield prediction, harvest time and logistics, processing and quality control, and also risk modeling for insurance and forecasting for commodity trading. AI will also help us to respond to the unpredictable. So early detection of pest and disease, automated irrigation recommendation, and also climate scenario simulation, where the climate change plays a very important role in this process. In the side of the smart risk modeling, we can also mention here detecting anomaly and calculate loss on the yields. Faster claim via remote sensing, mainly for insurance and predictive analysis, with dynamic pricing by field level risk. And also AI is not just within the farm, it's way beyond the farm as well. Not just within the farm and the farmer, but also for the agri value chain, we can mention here the predictive crop flows, the improved hedging and contract planning, and also the sentiment analysis about pricing and about the seasons. Some tangible benefits of AI adoption. I think the one of the main benefits, if not the main benefit, is the faster decision-making process with greater operational efficiency and better sustainability. Although the road is not free of obstacles, right? I mentioned about the new scale labor, but the amount of data that AI will bring also is a challenge, because we need to standardize this data in order for a customer, for larger corporations, also be able to actually extract value out of this information. So imagine you have 10, 20 systems of AI, a bunch of different companies, but you don't have a standardization of data. So how to extract value from this amount of data information. And this will require new skilled labor, a labor power that will help customer to standardize the data, but also take advantage of the use of the AI and this kind of technology. Connectivity in rural areas, it's also a challenge. I think it's a challenge that among all the four I brought here is the one that we are figuring out the most, the faster. We can mention Brazil case. I think in the last 5 years we've grown a lot thinking about connectivity, but we can also mention some actions here and some companies, connectivity companies as Starlink, and you guys may know that will make this process way more democratic. And the least, but not the less important, is the trust and adoption by farmer. I think we have a learning curve here, and also a curve of this kind of technology adoption that will require real results, so farmer can see actually the benefit and time by time get more trustworthy of this kind of technology. And to close here with the vision of 10 years, why I envision, and then I will show also some real case and practical case of Bem Agro and how our technology and AI is already impacting the agricultural chain. I envision here autonomous machinery in a 10-year base, AI coordinated supply chain, and an open ag data network as well. So talking a little bit about Bem Agro, about what we've been doing, about our business case. Bem Agro is an ag tech that uses artificial intelligence and computer vision to process data from tractors, drones, and satellite. So basically what we do is to integrate these three different vehicles of data capture in order to provide actionable insights for farmers that will help them reduce costs and increase yields. So this is what we do in 30 seconds. Here being some highlights of our company and technology. Last year, our technology were able to reduce up to 85% on herbicide use, helping farmers know how much to apply, where, and what. So one of our products, and then I will show you here, it's a product that is capable of detecting the weeds with AI, but not just the weed, also the type of the weed. So farmers know exactly how much to apply, where, and what herbicide to apply. So whether if it's grass leaf, broadleaf, and some specific species. Our customers last year saved up to $20 million in herbicide application just last year. So if you count the 8 years of the company, over 100 million in herbicide application were spared and saved by customers. 1,000 tons of carbon emissions were avoided, and increased it up to 10% yields on the farmers and the customers we work with 31 million liters of water spared. So if I know exactly how much I have to apply and where I have to apply, I don't have to fill all my tank on my spray machine and spread everything out. So I'm not just saving money on the herbicide, but I'm also sparing water, and I'm also saving emissions, carbon emissions, as I don't have to go around all the field with fuel waste. So these are some numbers here in the company, and this is a picture of our platform, where we bring here our weed detection mapping. So the first one here, the light blue one, is the undefined and ground cover, so grasses. We have narrow leaf, broad leaf, castor bean. We separate that species and bring a file where customer can use and insert in more than 40 different tractor brands or even a sprayer drone. And based on that, our system will allow that's this machine and this sprayer drone apply just where the weed infestation is, and exactly according to the product and species that the farmer have. So we process over 15 million acres with more than 150,000 maps for over 400 customers in 11 countries. So today, Benagro already operate in Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Paraguay, Thailand, Indonesia, Australia, and we're also getting to the US market. Some of the investors of the company is CNH case in Holland, Suzano, Ativus, and all the three venture capital firms, Rural Ventures, Agrovem, and Agro. So that's it, guys. Here's my LinkedIn, also our Instagram and social media. So I'm happy to chat with you as well. And I'm available here for a quick chat with Aidan and to further discuss it. Oh, sorry.
Whoa. Okay, thank you.